Let me take a look.
Okay.
Holy
Yeah, it's a little
guacamole. Let me see the other one. Oh, Lord. No problem. It's fixable. I got you.
Okay.
You want the special treatment?
Oh, what's special?
I got you, boo.
Oh.
Don't trip.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yep. Take your time.
So the special treatment, is it included?
All for you, free today.
Oh, cool.
Because of your toe, you qualify for the free treatment.
Oh,
Yep.
and it's included.
Oh, hell
right.
yeah. For these kind of toes, definitely.
I know they're pretty neglected.
No, they're not bad. They passed for a free treatment.
What the hell? I've never had.
You never had this?
No.
This is our ritual. It's where, sometimes because you have bad feet, the spirit is concentrated here. So we got to get the spirit out so that at least your feet is going to feel free and relieved. Trust me, I've been doing this for years, girl. Holy shit.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.